Greetings from Spelby International.
Our children are our future. We want them to experience the joy of learning. Maybe we want them to acquire encyclopedic knowledge. Some of us, we want them to become global leaders, at least global thought leadership to solve many of the problems in the world. At least we want them to become pillars of our family or for the community or for the nation, maybe for the whole world. What is stopping them? Are they able to read and comprehend well? Are they able to take many books and read? Do you see any problem in the building blocks of the language with which they read, study all the subjects? Because we are in a tough situation. They are not studying all the subjects through their mother tongue. They are studying through another language, English as a second language. We cannot now call it as a foreign language, but English as a second language. Now it is becoming like a first language itself. They need to be strong in English, not just to comprehend each and everything, but also to articulate through that language while they are writing in the examination. Are you going through the exam papers? Are you able to understand what they are writing? In such case, you need to seriously consider on how to develop their English language. Not after finishing the college for IELTS and TOEFL and things like that. English is a subject which is like a giant-sized cake. You need to start chunking it and then to apportion it from now on. So what have we done in our strategic language enhancement program? We have taken 75% of the accuracy part of English, like words, literary devices, phonetics, pronunciation part, root words, grammar part, pragmatics, general knowledge, literary world, and then we have divided into 9 different grades. They can apply what they've learned in accuracy part. We are helping them to apply in the fluency part. So both the things get strengthened. So what is happening here? They are very good in their foundational English and they were very good when they are articulating also. So this is the thing. This is how we are giving it. Vocabulary and then better pronunciation, how the words got formed, root words, and then how one word can become many other words, expanding the vocabulary. And then in level 2, when they come to state level, we are talking about meanings of the words, not for all the 1000 words, but 300 words at a time, like in state level, and then another 300 in national, and another 400 in international. Put together, we test in the international level. Why phonetic symbols are very important, why pronunciation is that very important, I will like to give you few examples. This is only bougainvillea, this is not bougainvillea because it's a name word. This is not sea anemone, this is anemone, anemone. So the stress is in anemone. And this is a Royal Observatory where they are talking about GMT. It's not Greenwich Mean Time, it's only Greenwich Mean Time. And when it comes to these words, this is only Antarctic and Arctic, not Arctic and Antarctic. See the root of this. In Arctic, Arctic means bear. You can see polar bears. You cannot see penguins. And in Antarctic, you cannot see polar bears because Antarctic means no bear. That is why we are teaching the etymology part of it. So when it comes to another science word, fuselage. So how the pronunciation is fuselage. How did I say this as fuselage? Why not fuselage? See the phonetic symbol. This comes for as in an ask, as in smart, as in mirage. It's not mirage, it's mirage. So like this, for each and every word, for all the 1000 words, we give them phonetic symbols. The next thing is we talk about root words. Root words helps them to expand their vocabulary in another way. The first way is one word becomes many other words because of the forms of the word. Like Do becomes does, did, doing. So we call that as inflections. So that is also a part of their level 1 study. But root words, one part of the word, you see many a times having a meaning of it. Something like ark means leader, monarch means single leader. Like that, matriarch, patriarch, mother type of figure, father type of figure, being a leader. Anarch, no one is a leader. You can see many meanings in that. Like reminder is remind right? Disease is not like some disease. This is not at ease. Another example is like chroma. Chroma means color. What do you mean by monochrome? Single color, and then Y chromosomes. That is the unit which absorbs the dye sent with the scientist. So with this we have an exercise called word analysis. And we talk about the root words, from which language it has come from, what is the meaning of it, in what kind of words it is appearing. Sometimes a root like pen comes in around 15 to 20 words. But a root like TION, earlier I thought it's coming only in 6,500 words. Now with AI's help we are seeing it coming in more than 36,000 words. So what is happening? We weave word with the morphemes. Now you will know how to form a word like a lexicographer, right? How to know all these things? Are we leaving you alone with the book? No, we give continuous coaching. When you take even level 1, we give 45 days of coaching. When you take all levels together, we give 8 months of coaching access. And then for every level, we give 3 hours grade-wise, page by page coaching, and we sit with you and we interact with you. So I was talking about how one word becomes many other words. So this is the exercise, like inflections, anchor. So the first meaning is this, and second meaning is a person who anchors a program. How anchor becomes anchors, anchoring, anchored. And then now, after understanding, so by this way what is happening? When they learn 1,000 words, they learn around 5 to 10,000 words. Because there are words, not only inflections, we are also talking about other related words like derivation. And then we are talking about the next exercise. Like totally you see 5 rounds in level 1. The next one is collocation. How one word joins with another word to collocate. And then to give strength to an one is the most frequently used combination is collocation. Another is it also strengthens a sentence. Utterly amazed, extremely happy. So all these things, it strengthens. The combination of words strengthens the sentence too. So we talk about that. There is a dictionary for collocation. You can see Oxford's collocation dictionary. If you give one word, it can give you 20 to 30 different other words which will collocate very well with them in a verb form, noun form, adjective form and others. Kindly check it out. And about the root words, you can always go and see Etim online. It helps you to expand your root word and the knowledge behind it. And then comes the thing GK. Are we talking about first general knowledge? No. Currently we are talking about in this program knowledge in the literary world. Something like depending upon the grade, Red Riding Hood or Harry Potter or Pride and Prejudice, depending upon whichever grade they are. So we test, we talk about, we introduce the book, we talk about, so our introduction reviews are there in our website, it's freely available even now. And we also talk about the authors, characters, and the questions come only from the book. Only in the final level, international level, when you come, 25% of the questions are twisted and asked. Otherwise, questions are coming mostly only from the book for you to clear the examination and get qualified for the next level. And getting qualified is not about getting rejected. It's like quarterly to half-yearly to annual examination. You finish inter-school, and then you study the portion of a state, and then you write together in state, and then state to national. It's like that. You can even register for all levels together, so that it's a hassle-free process. free process. You need not keep registering again and again, and we also need not cut the access for your course again and again. And the next final thing, as far as your level 1 is concerned, find the correct sentence. So whether the sentence is right or wrong, that's it. We are not expecting anything else from you. And then we give an explanation why it is right and why it is wrong. So that's it. And stay back for few minutes for me to give you what else is there. A quick thing. Course books, depending upon for how many levels you're paying. And then it contains a learning dictionary, interesting, with more than 50% of the words having pictures. And if you're a topper, you get medals in international level. All of you will get medals. And you get course access for 45 days for level 1, and then 8 months for all levels together. From second level onwards, all of you will be getting games to play. Through Trekman game, you can learn phonetics, you can learn the meanings, you can learn the spellings of the word, and you can also trek and then enjoy. You also have a phonetic apps. This time we have introduced a very nice exercise book with the meaning as the clue and phonetic symbol as the clue. You have to find the words. So this you will get in international level. But if you are paying all payments together, you will get in the beginning stage itself. And then for every almost 45 days, you get a boot camp. Completely covering page by page the book you have received for that level. And what else? You also are getting an app this year. Next month an app is coming, so that the communication between you and us becomes very, very easy. The app will give you pop-up thing. Another new thing, HS4A. As I've told you, if you want to have global thought leadership, this is an optional program. You'll get chances to speak, debate, write. All these facilities will come to you. So what else? So if you have some questions, get back to us. If you are okay with everything, your school must be circulating a circular, and they would have given you a link, or they would have given you a system to pay for the program. Fill up the form online or offline. Either pay it to the school or pay it online as per the guidance given by your school. And as far as examination, either it can be online examination. If it is online examination, we also give you mock examination on how you can write that. If it is offline examination, do not worry. Behind the book, you have a question paper model. It's going to be like that. Then we assess and then we give you certification. We have recommended movies for you to watch. So that is there in our resource column in the website. You have recommended books to read for your age. And what else is new? This year we have given fluency program. So that HS4A, World Academy for Arts and Science, is a thing started by great institution, started by Sir Albert Einstein, Bertrand Russell, and many other people. I'm there as a fellow, I'm there as a program director. So we have brought this program on fluency, like instead of talking simple things like the pebbles in the seashore or coconut tree, those things also we can speak, we can write poems, but you can talk about how not to waste the food in the plate, or how to alleviate the poverty in the nation where 20 lakh people are giving their life because of malnutrition. So you can, all over the world, 6 million people or so. So how to solve all these things, how to save environment. So great things. If you are interested, yes, we also guide and implement these fluency program. Looking forward to see you in coaching classes. And also we have parents meeting every month. It's not just meeting, we give a coaching on each and every round. So looking forward to meet you there. Thank you very much.